Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? Okay, thank you and welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. So, first of all, I want to say you that I'm getting somewhat good response nowadays, and I hope the same response will be continued in the future also. And so, we are discussing our basic mathematics along with IIT JEE in our classes, but I have started fractions in our previous class of basic mathematics and have not continued, so let me continue that class. So today let us learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so let us learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so how to do addition and subtraction of fractions? So there are two types. First one is when we add like fractions. Okay, like fractions addition. So what are like fractions first? Like fractions means fractions having same denominator. See here, if I take 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 and 7 by 3. Yes, here in both the fractions 4 by 3 and 7 by 3 the denominator is same, that is 3. Right? Such type of fractions, for suppose we can take one more fraction or two more fractions. How many more fractions you want, that much fractions we can take. But all fractions should have the same denominator. Understood? All fractions should have the same denominator. Such fractions are called like fractions. When we see like fractions, how to add? Simple. For suppose I want to add 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. How to add means first you take the common denominator as the denominator. Clear? Denominator 3 as the common denominator. Then add the numerators directly now. 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So my answer is 14 by 3. Understood? This is how we have to add like fractions. Okay? Then how about addition of unlike fractions? Let us see now. I hope everybody understood how to add like fractions, right? So, let us see addition of unlike fractions. So, what are unlike fractions? Okay. Second one, unlike fractions, addition. Okay. How to add unlike fractions? Unlike fractions means different denominators. For suppose I am taking 1 by 7 plus 2 by 3. Yes, addition means plus. I want to add 1 by 7 and 2 by 3. Are these two like fractions? Means are these two fractions having the same denominator here? No. Then how to add? So some people will be doing like this, right? 1 plus 2 by 7 plus 3 is 3 by 10, right? No, this is not correct. You should not do like this. Understood? What we have to do means first we have to take the denominator, LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators here? 7 and 3. So what is the LCM of 7 and 3? 7, 1, 7, 3 as it is. 3, 1, 1. So 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So here denominators becomes 21. Okay. Now numerator. Numerator means first we have to multiply each fraction with the LCM. So 1 by 7 into 21. 7, 1, 7, 3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So here my first numerator is 3 plus again 2 by 3 into 21. 3 table 21 7 times. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So now I am left with 14 plus 3 is 17 by 21. This is how we have to add unlike fractions. Clear? Next, let us see subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, so subtraction. So like fractions, subtraction. So the same example I am taking. Okay, let us change the example. 8 by 5 comma 3 by 5. How to subtract these two like fractions now? So same, 8 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So already I said no, the same denominator 5 we have to take and subtract the numerators directly. So 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5. So our answer is 1. This is how we have to subtract like fractions. Now unlike fractions. So unlike fractions, subtraction. So let us take one example. 7 by 4 minus 2 by 3. How to subtract these two unlike fractions? Now what you have to do means, when we see unlike fractions, definitely we have to take the LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators here? 4 and 3. So take the denominators LCM of 4 and 3. So they are co-primes. So directly we can take multiplication, if not do LCM like this. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So now the denominator for this answer becomes 12. Now the same procedure, every fraction you have to multiply with the LCM. 4 ones, 4 threes. 7 into 3 is equal to 21 minus 2 by 3 into 12. 3 ones, 3 fours. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So 21 minus 8 is 13. So 13 by 12 is the answer. This is how we have to do addition and subtraction of fractions. That is both like fractions and unlike fractions. So this is the simple topic, addition and subtraction of fractions. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.